Here we are with the Carolina Skiff 18 JVX. The chrome insert and rub rail, Valspar gel coat, cooler with the ram, 70 quarts, swim platform mounted on the back of the boat. These are going to be powered with Yamahas, F90 or F115, your choice. 18 JVX at Ducky's Boats. Comes complete with your console, switches, tachometer, fuel gauge, voltometer, speedometer, your Yamaha controls, binnacle controls, steering wheel. There's lots of storage on this boat. Notice it actually has a lid down there instead of just doing the plain old seat. That takes a lot more time and money to take and do it correctly. Most of the companies won't even bother, but Carolina Skiff does. You have your rod holders on the side of the console. There's 8 total. Mount for power for your trolling motor. More storage, your battery box is also up front there for the trolling motor. Stainless steel cleats. Your gas fill at the back of the boat. The seat also, you can see this one here is fresh in the wrap still, but the seat does pivot either forward or backwards, the top of it up here. It's a great footing boat for the money. Come stop at Ducky's, 717-944-4232. www.duckysboats.com.